hope everyone is doing well. It's a beautiful day outside, sun's shining. Thought it was going to rain all day, but it hasn't. But anyway, it looks really pretty out there. I've been out there a couple times. Today, this is just going to be a kind of a short video. I'm just going to show you how I make fried potato cakes. I do it a little bit different. I don't know. There might be other people out there that does it like I do, but so I'm going to show you how I do it. Makes them really tasty and flavorful, and a lot of times you when you fry potato cakes, they want to be mushy inside. Well, I've learned a way to kind of fix that a little bit. But anyway, so first of all, I boiled my potatoes back there, so you can see. I'm going to drain them, make them into mashed potatoes, and this is 3 potatoes. Use whatever you want. You'll just have to adjust your ingredients, and you'll know because of the consistency. You'll know how it should look. Let me drain these, and then we'll start making mashed potatoes. Okay, so I've got my mashed potatoes here. I'm going to put some butter in them. Some butter sitting over here. Okay. They're still hot, so that should melt up no problem. Wow, I do not even need the mixer. Okay, let me get some cream. So, I am going to use half and half. If I had heavy whipping cream, I'd use that. But I am just guessing. About 1/4 cup, and if we need more, we'll put more in, but I don't think we will. Okay, put that down here, some salt. And some pepper. Salt with the deadly pepper. Okay, now we're going to also put into these because we're going to just have flour and stuff anyway, and an egg and all that good stuff. So we're going to put some onion powder in, and I would say it was about half a teaspoon, about the same of garlic. Maybe a little bit more. Okay, so what I'm going to do is get my mixer, mix this up real good first, then we'll do the other stuff. Okay. Okay, so I mixed that all up, and I added about 1/4 cup of French onion dip, but you can use sour cream, but I didn't have any sour cream, so I thought I would just try that. So that seems to have worked very well. So now we're going to actually add in some onions, and I gotta chop those up. I didn't put very many in there, and there's a reason why. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of Lipton's onion soup mix. I might add more, just depending on how it tastes. Now, you see how they're getting kind of, you know, too much moisture? What you can do for that. Yeah, it tastes really good. What you can do is just add some instant mashed potatoes. Or like at the beginning, since I use the sour cream, leave out a little bit of the heavy whipping cream. And what did I say we put in there? 1/4 cup. Okay. Let's see here. Yeah, that helped. Build it up just a tad more. That way you don't have to put in too much flour or anything like that. So let's say we did a 1/4 cup of flakes, but you don't have to do that. You just adjust your liquid. Okay. So now we put in an egg. Mix that in. Now that's going to bring it back to a little bit, you know, mushy. But that's okay. But it's okay. Okay, so now what I am going to do is add in 1/4 cup of flour. Bowl and all. You have to have the bowl. It has to be a little red bowl. Okay. Now see, normally this is where you go ahead and drop them in and fry them. But that's not what I'm going to do. First, I've got a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Now I'm going to put part of it in and see if I need any more. So we'll put in about half of it. Let's see what that does. Last time I only did 2 potatoes when I made this, so I'm kind of adjusting as I go. Okay. I'll go ahead and add some more. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add the whole thing. And this should be it. This should be enough, I'm sure. We'll see when we fry it. Okay. Very tasty. Okay. You guys, you could even add like little ham bites to this, or I don't have any ham. Bacon, you could add bacon to it. That'd be great. Okay, as soon as my oil gets hot, I'll bring you back. Okay, so my oil's hot. The cornstarch just makes them a little more crispy. So we'll put one in here, and as they fry a little bit on one side, you can turn them over and smash them down. And my heat is on about medium, high, a little bit, about 6. Okay, I'm going to turn my fire down a little bit. Put it on about a 4. So now I'm going to smash these out. See how they don't fall apart on you when you turn them. So now you guys are going to help me test a theory here. So I am taking a spoonful of this and I'm going to put some cornstarch around it. And then I'm going to drop it in. And let's see how that does. I'm just curious. You don't need to do that, but just thought we'd give it a shot. What happens here? Okay, these first two should be good to go. I should have put a towel under there. Okay, there's two down. Fire back up a little bit. It's not cooking fast enough. Spilt some. There we go. I want to see if they're any crispier with the cornstarch on the outside too. Oops. Should let that cook just a little bit longer. Alright. So let this cook. Okay, it's going back up to 6, okay? Not quite. Give it a few more minutes. Okay, I think that one's done. A little brown. It'll be tasty. Perfect. Alright, turning my heat off. Okay, now I'm going to finish this one up and I'll bring you back here in a minute. Okay, so we're back. First, let's see if this crispier one is crispier. Oh boy. Not very good. And it is a little bit crispier, I think. Maybe I'm just imagining it. Okay, put this one here. And you guys gonna think I'm crazy, but maple syrup is so good on them. Or ketchup, you know. I like ketchup. And mayo chup. I like that too. Use that for my french fries all the time. Oh my gosh. That one's pretty crispy too, but I do think the one that got the extra cornstarch on the outside was a tad bit crispier, but not much. Not much at all. Yep, I could eat those without anything else with it. So, you guys should give it a try. Make you some fried potato cakes. Make you some eggs with them, or sausage. Oh yeah, put some sausage with them, and then the syrup. Oh, the bomb. Okay, I can't stop eating it, guys. Really good. You guys, give these a try. I'm sure you'll love them. Lipton onion soup, onions, garlic, and then mayo syrup over, or maple syrup over top. Yeah, these are good. Yeah. Sorry if I'm making too much noise. Yeah. So delicious. Okay. So anyway, this was just a little short video to show you how I do that. If you guys get a chance, make you some. Let me know how they turn out. I love that part. Also, as usual, the link to the recipe journal that you can just put your own recipes in and hand down, be in my description, and the recipe that I used for this, you can adjust it the way you want it, but what I used was pretty good as far as, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm still eating. Okay, so I'll see you next time.